Let's clean her up. After cleaning the engine and the wheels, we wash the paint. Make sure not to miss any spots before moving on to drying. Let's get her dried off. The next step in this transformation is to clay bar the truck. You can hear the scratchiness of the paint right there. So you want to hit certain spots a little bit more. You might be wondering, what's the point of clay barring if you're gonna wax it anyways and buff it? Well, if you don't clay bar, your pad it's gonna get filled up way too fast. That's just after doing this tiny section of the hood. I mean, guys, this paint is in desperate need of a detail. Let's see how clean it's gonna be after this. Look at that red paint shine. Here's what the fender looks like before. And here's after. Here's a comparison of the door and the bed. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate a like or a sub from you. Until next time.